All right, class, settle in. Today we're going to build a system. A clear, actionable system that uses the power of AI to help you master any new language. We're getting rid of the guesswork and giving you a straightforward plan to get you from zero to confident. So let's get right into it.
Look, we've all been the learner on the left, right? It's slow, it can be kind of frustrating, and there's always that fear of making a mistake in front of somebody. It's just tough. But now look over at the right. This is what AI brings to the table. It completely transforms the game. It's like having a personal tutor who is infinitely patient, available 24/7, and ready to practice with you for hours on end with zero judgment. This is a whole new era of learning.
So what exactly are we talking about here? When I say AI-based language learning, I'm just talking about using the tools you probably already have on your phone. Things like ChatGPT, maybe Duolingo, even Google Translate. But we're going to use them in a much smarter way. They're not just for quick translations anymore. From now on, you'll think of them as your primary tools for actively learning new words, practicing speaking, getting your grammar fixed, and even fine-tuning your pronunciation.
Okay, let's lay down the foundation. You know, true fluency isn't just about memorizing words. It's about mastering 4 fundamental skills. The entire system we're building today is designed to methodically improve each and every one of these pillars. This is the core curriculum. And here they are, the big 4. Speaking, writing, reading, and listening. With AI, you can practice speaking for an hour straight without ever feeling embarrassed. You can write a whole page and get instant feedback on what you did wrong and why. You can tackle a news article and get help with any word you don't know. And you can work on your pronunciation to really nail that accent. We're going to hit all 4 of these hard.
Now, I need you to pay close attention because this next part, this is the absolute heart of the entire method. This is the simple, repeatable, daily system that's going to build your momentum and flat out guarantee your progress. You have to remember, consistency is everything in language learning, and this system is designed to make it almost effortless.
It's a 5-step loop. It's that simple. Step 1, you learn some new words. Step 2, you immediately put those words into sentences so they stick. Step 3, you actually have a conversation with your AI tutor using what you just learned. 4, you get your mistakes corrected on the spot. And the most important step, number 5, revision. You do this every single day. It's a cycle, and it's incredibly powerful for building a real, deep understanding of the language.
And what's the payoff for doing this? It's exactly what you're here for. This isn't just about knowing stuff, it's about being able to use it. This system builds genuine fluency, and maybe even more importantly, it builds the confidence you need to actually open your mouth and speak to another human being. Now, of course, how you practice needs to change as you get better. A beginner's workout isn't the same as an advanced learner's. So let's break down the specific AI prompts and the focus for each level. Think of this as your personalized roadmap taking you all the way from day 1 to fluency.
So when you're just starting out, your entire world is about basic words and simple sentences. You're just getting the building blocks. Then, as you move into that intermediate phase, you'll shift your focus to holding real conversations and nailing down the grammar. And for you advanced learners, you'll be working on nuance, debating complex ideas, and really polishing your fluency. Your prompts and your goals evolve together.
Okay, this is where the magic really happens. It's all about being precise. Here are some prompts you can literally copy and paste today. See the difference? Don't just ask your AI, teach me Spanish. That's way too broad. Instead, be specific. Teach me 20 daily use Spanish words and give me an example sentence for each. Or, my favorite, act as a friend and let's have a conversation in Hindi about our weekend plans. The better your prompt, the better your practice.
Before I set you loose, just a quick word of warning. So many students start off with tons of energy, but they get derailed by a few common mistakes. Let's tackle these right now so you can learn like a pro right from the get-go.
Do any of these sound a little familiar? Yeah, not practicing every day. Being terrified of sounding silly. Spending all your time just reading lists of words but never actually speaking. And of course, skipping the revision step. These right here are the 4 biggest progress killers. We have to actively fight against them.
So how do we fix it? We replace those bad habits with these pro habits. This is the antidote. First, commit to just 15 to 30 minutes every single day. That's it. Second, speak, even when you know you're wrong. That's literally how you learn. Third, ask the AI to correct you. And finally, this is the big one. You have to start trying to think in your target language. It's what breaks that habit of translating everything in your head, and it is the final barrier to true fluency. These habits are absolute game changers.
All right, that's enough theory. The absolute best way to learn any of this is by doing it.
So I'm giving you your first assignment. I want you to complete these 3 simple tasks as soon as you're done listening. No excuses.
Here's your homework. First, you're going to ask your AI tutor, teach me 10 daily use sentences in English. Second, you're going to have a simple conversation with it, trying to use those sentences. And third, you'll write a short paragraph, maybe about your day, and ask the AI, please correct my paragraph. This little session will give you your first win and build that crucial first bit of momentum.
So here's the bottom line. The tools are ready. The system is clear. Your personal AI tutor is literally waiting for you right now. The only question left is, what are you going to master first? Class dismissed.
एक कदम विकसित भारत की ओर।